This video will show you how to make an uptime channel with Nightbot. Start by heading to the Nightbot website. You will need to connect your Twitch account if you haven't already. Click the Join Channel button if needed. Open the Commands menu on the left, then choose Custom. Press Add Command. Select the command box and type !uptime. Enter the text on screen into the message box, or copy it from the first link in the description. Set the cooldown and user level to whatever you like. Submit. Go to your Twitch chat. Make sure to mod Nightbot if you haven't already. You can do this by typing /mod Nightbot. Now, when a user types the command, Nightbot will send the uptime message.